What is up, nation? It is Tuesday, terrific Tuesday. We're just gonna dive right into it. We got a strength and a Metcon component. Our Metcon is a 12-minute emom. That first minute, you're gonna have 30 seconds of max burpee shuttle sprint. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna burpee. You don't have to go too far on the shuttle sprints. Just something that's gonna be there, burpee, and then back. 30 seconds, real quick and fast. Then you'll get 30 seconds of rest. Coach Bruce will demo that real fast. So we go burpee, right up into a shuttle sprint run. So yeah, keep it about 25 feet. From there, just like so, max 30 seconds. And then minute 2 is just gonna hold that Superman plank hold. So remember, my hands and feet are onto the ground. It's not our traditional like Superman hold where we have our arms and legs up. So from here, you'll start in that plank position, right, hips nice and aligned, and then from there, reach your arms out as far as you can, holding that Superman plank for 30 seconds. After that, you'll get 30 seconds of rest. We'll continue that for 12 minutes. Our strength component, right, it's gonna be every 90 seconds for 8 sets. You're gonna have 5 odd object snatch from the ground, and then from there, you're gonna go 5 odd object squats. On these, you want these relatively heavy, right? Don't want to just like, I know 2 weeks ago, you had like the can of soup. I mean, you can totally do that, but it is 5, so try to get nice and heavy. If you want, you can use like a backpack, fill that sucker up with some gallons. Just want to be odd object. And then whatever one you're using for the snatch, you can go right into, booyah! We got our odd object right here. We're gonna demo from these. There you go.
Woo!
Nice. Good. And then after that, you have your 5 odd object squats. However, the squatting down is just like so. Okay, guys, get nice and creative with that. You have 90 seconds for 8 sets. But our warm up, it's been quite a bit of warming up. So on here, we're gonna do just a 6-minute emom. So in that minute, we'll jump rope for 25 seconds. And then for the rest, 35 seconds, we're gonna have 6 bottom burpees. Get them done really quick and fast. Those bottom burpees, you'll go down, up, there you go. As he's coming into that pike position, not all the way up where you stand up for those burpees. And after that, once we get done with the 6-minute emom, we'll go into this general warm up. It's 2 rounds, 30 seconds each movement. You'll have some inchworms. Starting that plank position, slowly inching your feet close to your hands, stay legs nice and straight as possible. After that, you'll go right into your downward dogs, swing those hips back. There you go, back into that plank position. And then after that, you'll just go into your Spider-Mans. There you go, reaching out in front, trying to drop that chest as low to the ground, opening up those hips. And then from there, into a squat hold. There you go, then after that, some bootstraps. Holding on to our toes. If not, right, if that's a bit too challenging, holding on to the toes, hold on to those ankles, shoot those hips up, back down into a squat, just moving for 30 seconds. And then after that, we'll stand on up, and then you have a single leg quarter squat hold, just getting the knees nice and prep. There you go. And then after that, we'll just go into a warm-up prep, just getting ready kind of for that Metcon. It'll be 3 rounds of 10 seconds fast run, just run for 10 seconds nice and fast. 8 toy soldiers, so just like a toy soldier would, going back, kicking those legs up to our hands. And then after that, it's going to be a 10-second fast side shuffle. So we'll just turn onto the side, just 10 seconds, side shuffling as fast as possible. And then 8 knee to chest, kind of what it sounds like, picking up that knee, bringing it to our chest.